Practice Santeria. I ain't got no crystal ball. I had $1 million, would I'd spend it all if I could find a Hannah and a Sancho that she's fine. Well, I'd pop the cap in Sancho and I'd slap her head around. And I really wanna know I'm ready. And I really wanna say I can define. Well, it's love that I need. Oh, my soul will have to wait till I get back and find her on my own. Then he's gonna love one and all. I feel the break, feel the break, feel the break, and I gotta live it up. Oh yeah, well I swear that I really wanna know. I'm ready.
Give me paper.
Hey, I really wanna say I can define. God, love, make it go. My soul will have to.
Yeah, boy! Are you serious? Right now, go the fuck on the street and you guys can make millions. Are you fucking
Let's go
kidding
set up
me?
a hat hotel.
I feel like I just fucking listen to, like, watch Sublime in a hotel room live.
That's fucking cool, man. That's cool to say.
Are you serious? Like, this shit, like, is sick.
I really wanna know. I'm ready. I really wanna say I can define. God, love, make it go. My soul will have to wait. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That was fucking